Hello friends, today at Pruitt's Truck Sales I'd like to show you this 2015 Ford F250 Super Duty regular cab with the 8-foot Reading utility body. This unit's a 2-wheel drive, has a 6-speed automatic transmission, is equipped with the power door locks, power windows, power mirrors. It's a 3-seater or 3 seat belts. This unit has 141,000 miles. Speed control there. This is your locking rear differential, and has the AM/FM CD player with the aux port there. It's like a laptop stand. It is equipped with a rear view backup camera. This unit's the 6.2 liter V8 gasoline. Also has the compressed natural gas CNG. You can flip this switch here and switch over to gasoline or alternative fuel CNG. It has a 10,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating. Or excuse me, 9,900 pound gross vehicle weight rating. So it has an 8-foot Reading body. It's a steel body. Does have the tow receiver. It's an 8-foot bed. This is a cover. Under that cover is the CNG tank. That's where that stows. More utility bin here. But if you think this 2015 Ford F250 8-foot utility body will work for you or your business, please contact us here at Pruitt's Truck Sales or visit our website at pruittstrucksales.com. If you like this video, let us know about it. Thank you very much and have a great day.